Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Blockchain and Crypto Today with your host, Kyle Ellicott. It is May 25th. We are in the last full week of May, and it is not slowing down in the industry. As we know, we've got a couple of great conferences going on. Consensus 2021 by CoinDesk is going on right now. We also have the team at ARCA that is putting on an outstanding conference as well, FO256. So shout out to both teams and all the work that they're doing. But we've got a ton of headlines and context to get into around this industry. Before we do, a big thank you to the LATOKEN team and to Maria for making today's episode possible. Check us out on latoken.com to hear more on today's news and also on VCTV with investors as we break all of this down even further from the angle of investors as well. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Now, today's rundown, starting us off, the Bank of Indonesia, continuing our conversation this year of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. And the Bank of Indonesia has come out and has said that they are planning to issue a digital currency to speed up payments within the country. That once issued, the digital version of the local currency will be a legal payment instrument throughout Indonesia alongside banknotes as well. However, all of this good and well. However, the central bank does not have a timeline yet on when this new central bank digital currency will be issued. Now, following the trend of CBDCs, we know that there's going to be a technical or white paper of sorts coming out from the US Federal Reserve this summer. We also have Russia, who's planning to launch, I believe, their central bank digital currency in 2022. We also have the sand dollar out of the Bahamas that is going on and active. We obviously have China's digital yuan. We have Singapore, we have Thailand, we have Cambodia, we have many other countries, including the digital euro as well. That's all in works in discovery and looking towards a 2022 release date therefore. So stay tuned for more on CBDCs. Next up, Proppy. This was some fun news this morning, but also some very groundbreaking news for the industry that Proppy will be auctioning off a real apartment as a non-fungible token or NFT, which is currently owned by Michael Arrington, the founder of TechCrunch and investor with Arrington XRP Capital. Now, this was reported on and by TechCrunch as well, just to add that for reference. The auction will be of an NFT attached to the modern one-bedroom apartment in Kiev, Ukraine, and Proppy looks to make history by making this the first ever first-level blockchain-based, so layer one, real estate sale. Now, when you buy the NFT, there will be an auction that goes off. Transfer of ownership will happen along with a real painting of and a digital version of the apartment as well. So once the purchase is complete, ownership will be transferred as well. Next up, GroundX, the developer behind the blockchain platform Clayton, today announced that it has launched an NFT, or again, non-fungible token minting service called Crafter Space. Crafty. That makes creating and minting NFTs very simple for anyone leveraging the Clayton network as well. So we'll continue to monitor that. We know Binance has an entire ecosystem coming out for creators and for NFTs. We've seen a number of these projects come around layer ones and now into the sidechain area as well. So continue to monitor that as we go. Now, fundraising. We've got a ton of breaking news in this category. So big congratulations to one confirmation on Fund 3. It's a $125 million fund as reported that will be investing throughout the landscape. So congratulations to that team. Also, new venture fund, Standard Crypto, and their flagship fund for about $170 million that will be invested throughout the landscape. Not much detail yet, but that is breaking news today as well. And also big congratulations to the Chaya Network, also to Polygon-based DeFi protocol, Cryption Network, and digital wallets, along with peer-to-peer exchange platform based in Mexico called AirTM. They actually had a strategic investment come from the Stellar Network for about $15 million as well. And then lastly, a music-focused NFT or non-fungible token platform, One Of, completed a $63 million seed round, according to reports on CoinDesk earlier today as well. Well, everybody, that's the quick rundown of what's happening in the industry in blockchain and crypto today with your host, Kyle Ellicott. We'll be back here tomorrow with more. Make sure to follow me on Twitter as well to keep up with the industry and context as we continue to monitor things throughout the rest of the day and all these exciting events going on. Also, check us out on LATOKEN.com and VCTV here in just a few minutes as we bring investors together from around the world to break all of this down for you. Everyone have a wonderful day. I'm your host, Kyle Ellicott. Take care.